everyone, welcome to the French class. In the last lesson, we have learned the days of the week. I hope you have practiced my previous lessons well. Today, it's about the months of the year. Les mois de l'année. Les mois, the months, and l'année is the year. Les mois de l'année. Let's move on. Most of the pronunciation techniques that I have taught to you earlier apply here as well. Let's start. Janvier, janvier, January, février, février, February. Here you can see l'accent aigu making the sound A. Février, mars, mars, March, avril, avril, April. Remember the letter A is similar to sound H in English. Avril. May. May. That is the month May. Juin. Juin. June. Here IN sound is predominant, so it sounds juin. Juillet. Juillet. July. Août. Août. August. You can see l'accent circonflexe here. Septembre. Septembre. September. October. 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 November. 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 And December. 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 Now it's a task for you. I will show you the English term and tell me the French word of each. Ready? Janvier. Février. Mars. Avril. Mai. Juin. Juillet. Août. Septembre. Octobre. November. And finally, December. Did you get all right? Very good. Now keep practicing and see you soon with a new lesson. A bientôt!